Hello, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. Would you like your orchids to develop abundant healthy roots, glossy green leaves, and produce beautiful flowers just like orchids growing in nature? In today's video, I will share with you a simple, economical, and easy to follow orchid care method that can be done at home. With only a few familiar ingredients, we can create a natural nutrient source that helps orchids develop stronger root systems, greener leaves, and more favorable conditions for flowering. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you do not miss the simple but effective plant care tips that Wonder Garden shares every week. Let us get started. Do you have bananas at home? When bananas become overly ripe or begin to spoil like these, do you usually throw them directly into the trash? Do not throw them away just yet, because banana peels can be a very useful ingredient for plant care. Put on gloves, then gently peel the bananas and keep only the peels. Banana peels contain a relatively high amount of potassium, along with many natural minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. These nutrients are beneficial for root development, leaf growth, and flower formation. Instead of throwing them away, we can use these banana peels to create a natural nutrient solution that is both economical and environmentally friendly. After peeling the bananas, use a small knife, as shown in the video, to cut the banana peels into small pieces. Cutting the peels into smaller pieces increases the contact area with water, allowing the nutrients inside to be released more quickly and dissolve more effectively during soaking. This helps create a more effective nutrient solution for plant care. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, place all of the chopped banana peels into a clean cup, as shown in the video. The next ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains small amounts of potassium, magnesium, and certain natural organic compounds that can support beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium and help plants grow more vigorously. The combination of banana peels and coffee creates a natural nutrient solution that is easy to prepare and cost-effective for home plant care. Next, add 3 tablespoons of coffee to the cup already containing the banana peels. Then, pour approximately 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to dissolve the coffee and help the nutrients from the banana peels blend into the solution more effectively. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly so that the coffee and banana peels mix evenly and all ingredients are distributed uniformly throughout the solution. Finally, cover the container and allow the coffee and banana peel solution to steep for approximately 1 hour so that the nutrients can be extracted more effectively into the water. While waiting, I will gently rinse the orchid with clean water. Rinsing with clean water helps evenly moisten the growing medium and root system, creating favorable conditions for the orchid to absorb nutrients more effectively during the next step. At the same time, clean water helps wash away some dust, salt residue, and impurities that may have accumulated in the growing medium over time. In addition, when the growing medium is already moist, the root system is less likely to experience shock when exposed to the nutrient solution, allowing the plant to adapt better and reducing the risk of root damage. Use only enough water to moisten the growing medium and avoid excessive watering that could cause water accumulation and negatively affect root development. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After 1 hour, once the coffee and banana peel solution has cooled completely, I use a strainer to remove all of the residue. Keep only the clear liquid for use on the orchid. Thorough filtering makes the solution cleaner, reduces sediment buildup, and makes it easier to use for watering or spraying. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That is it. We now have an economical nutrient solution made from banana peels and coffee. Method 1. Use a soft cotton pad and gently dip it into the coffee and banana peel solution. Then carefully wipe both sides of each orchid leaf as shown in the video. Using the coffee and banana peel solution helps remove dust, residue, and impurities that accumulate on the leaf surfaces over time. When the leaves are cleaner and more breathable, the orchid can absorb light more efficiently, supporting photosynthesis and healthy growth. In addition, regular leaf cleaning helps orchid leaves maintain a naturally glossy green appearance and reduces dullness caused by accumulated dust. During the cleaning process, you can also easily inspect the leaves and detect early signs of pests, diseases, yellowing, or damage so that they can be treated promptly. By performing this method approximately once per week, your orchids will remain cleaner, healthier, and more vigorous. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. In addition to orchids, I also use this solution to clean the leaves of peace lily plants. Using coffee and banana peels helps remove dust and impurities from leaf surfaces, making the leaves more breathable and allowing them to absorb light more efficiently for photosynthesis. Furthermore, regular leaf cleaning helps maintain a deep green color and a naturally glossy appearance while reducing dullness caused by accumulated dust. When leaves remain healthy, the plant can grow more consistently, continuously produce new foliage, and maintain a fresh and vibrant appearance. Method 2. Pour the coffee and banana peel solution into a watering container and gently water around the base of the orchid as shown in the video. Watering orchids with this solution provides natural nutrients to the growing medium, supports stronger root development, and improves the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. When the root system is healthy, orchids grow more steadily, develop greener and thicker leaves, and become more robust. In addition, regular nutrient supplementation helps the orchid store energy more effectively, creating favorable conditions for flower bud formation and future flower spike development. For the best results, apply this method approximately once per week. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 3. Pour the remaining coffee and banana peel solution into a spray bottle. Then gently spray the stems, leaves, and root zone of the orchid as shown in the video. Misting with this solution helps maintain moisture around the plant while cleaning dust from the leaf and stem surfaces. When the plant remains clean and well ventilated, it can absorb light more efficiently, supporting photosynthesis and healthy growth. In addition, regular spraying helps maintain a healthy appearance, firm leaves, and favorable conditions for stable growth. For orchids kept indoors or in low humidity environments, this method is especially useful for helping the plant remain fresh and vigorous. Besides orchids, you can also use this solution to care for Zamioculcas plants. Using coffee and banana peels provides natural nutrients to the growing medium, supports stronger root development, and improves the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. When used regularly, Zamioculcas plants grow more steadily, develop darker green leaves with a natural glossy appearance, produce stronger stems, and create favorable conditions for new shoot development. As a result, the plant maintains a healthy, vibrant, and attractive appearance. Results. After approximately 2 months of consistently using the coffee and banana peel solution, you will notice significant changes in your orchids. The root system becomes much stronger, producing numerous healthy new root tips that are bright green or white in color. With a healthier root system, the orchid absorbs water and nutrients more effectively, creating a solid foundation for long-term growth. New leaves continue to emerge, becoming darker green, thicker, and stronger than before. Older leaves also maintain their natural glossy appearance and are less likely to yellow or weaken. Most importantly, for mature orchids, strong roots and healthy foliage create favorable conditions for flower bud formation. The plant becomes more vigorous overall, and its ability to produce flower spikes improves significantly when cared for properly. If you find this method useful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to discover more simple, economical, and highly effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again in future Wonder Garden sharing sessions.